Felix Roemer didn't take the typical route to becoming an influential investor and operator. His journey began not in boardrooms or financial institutions, but in the digital worlds of in-game economies, virtual marketplaces where millions trade, compete, and speculate daily. For Roemer, those early experiences in games like RuneScape laid the foundation for a career defined by data, strategy, and decisive action. Understanding supply, demand, and the deeper reasons why something gains value or fades out, that pattern hasn't changed, Roemer reflects. The only difference is the scale and the stakes. Today, Roemer is known as an entrepreneur, investor, and operator with a distinct reputation. He doesn't just back companies, he embeds himself within them. His hands-on approach has made him a sought-after figure in industries spanning sports, finance, fintech, and restructuring. Where others see uncertainty or declining assets, Roemer sees patterns, inefficiencies, and opportunity. From virtual markets to high-stakes investing, Roemer's first foray into market dynamics came in the form of trading digital goods. In RuneScape, a massively multiplayer online game, he developed a reputation for his ability to read the fluctuations of virtual economies, price items accurately, and execute large-scale trades for profit. More than a hobby, it became an intensive education in economics, risk management, and data-driven decision-making. Roemer credits these formative experiences with sharpening his analytical instincts. It was all about spotting inefficiencies, understanding behavior, and moving quickly, but methodically, he explains. Those same skills translated seamlessly into the world of investing. Over time, Roemer began applying mathematical models and data interpretation to identify undervalued companies, optimize operations, and structure deals that created lasting value. But unlike many investors content with passive involvement, Roemer prefers to roll up his sleeves. "I don't believe in sitting on the sidelines," he says. "If I'm investing in a company, I'm in the trenches with the team, solving problems, refining strategies, and driving outcomes." Specializing in distress and restructuring, Felix Roemer's portfolio reflects his ability to navigate complex, often turbulent environments. He specializes in distressed assets, businesses or financial instruments that may be underperforming, undervalued, or facing operational challenges. Where others might shy away, Roemer sees potential for transformation. "I've always been drawn to situations that require restructuring and data-driven insights," Roemer explains. "You can unlock incredible value when you apply the right strategy." His areas of focus include mutual funds, financial instruments, fintech ventures, and companies facing restructuring needs. Roemer's knack for turning struggling assets into profitable ventures has earned him recognition as both a strategic thinker and a relentless operator. Merging AI, sports science, and investment. After establishing himself as an investor and operator, Roemer became involved with Short Circuit Science, a company focused on using AI and computer vision to enhance sports performance, recovery, and longevity, particularly in professional soccer. His contributions helped shape the company's approach to structuring data points, ensuring its AI models delivered meaningful insights for athletes and coaches. Roemer's role wasn't limited to financial backing. He applied his expertise in data structuring to help shape how the company gathered and interpreted performance metrics. His contributions ensured that the AI models provided actionable insights to athletes, coaches, and medical teams. Whether it's a distressed asset or a soccer player's recovery protocol, the principle is the same, Roemer says. You gather meaningful data, structure it properly, and use it to make better decisions. His involvement with Short Circuit Science exemplifies his cross-disciplinary approach, blending finance, AI, and performance optimization to create scalable, impactful businesses. Leadership through ownership. Despite his success across industries, Felix Roemer's leadership philosophy remains grounded in personal accountability. For him, effective leadership starts with ownership, the willingness to take responsibility for outcomes, good or bad. You take responsibility, no excuses, no passing blame, Roemer emphasizes. If something goes wrong, I look at what I could have done better first. That mindset sets the tone for the whole team. He credits his decision-making prowess to a clear-headed, risk-conscious approach. Staying honest about potential downsides, seeking input from trusted peers, and removing ego from the equation are central to how Roemer operates. I lean on people I trust to pressure test my thinking before making a call, he says. Staying grounded is key, building trust and shared momentum in business and beyond. Felix Roemer, founder of companies, places a premium on building strong, trust-based relationships. Whether collaborating with colleagues, mentoring emerging leaders, or navigating high-stakes deals, he prioritizes honesty, openness, and utility. Strong professional relationships come down to trust and shared momentum, he explains. I surround myself with people I can learn from and grow with, and I make sure I'm just as useful to them as they are to me. That ethos extends to goal setting and progress tracking. Roemer is a firm believer in reverse engineering outcomes, defining the desired result, then mapping weekly actions to get there. He relies on simple, consistent tools like shared documents and calendars to ensure accountability. What matters most is staying honest about what's working and what's not, he adds. Staying calm under pressure, whether navigating volatile markets or addressing difficult clients, Roemer's approach is rooted in composure and active listening. I stay calm, I don't let emotions dictate how I respond, he says. Most of the time, just showing that you're willing to understand shifts the tone. It's a strategy honed from years of operating in unpredictable environments, where quick thinking, adaptability, and a level head separate successful leaders from the rest. Looking ahead, Felix Roemer's trajectory reflects a rare blend of analytical rigor, operational grit, and human-centered leadership. From trading digital goods in virtual worlds to driving growth and turnarounds in real-world companies, he has consistently applied his market instincts to build value where others overlook it. With his continued focus on investing, AI-driven performance science, and restructuring distressed assets, Roemer is poised to remain at the forefront of data-driven entrepreneurship. It doesn't matter if it's a digital skin, a fintech platform, or an athlete's performance data, Roemer concludes. The fundamentals of value creation stay the same, you just have to know where to look.